It was another beautiful day in Tinkerland, and Vac the Vacuum Bot was in the park, cleaning up. Vac loved to use his big vacuum to suck up all the leaves. It made him very happy. Del the delivery bot was on a journey to deliver a big bag of trash to the dump. Del traveled past all of his friends on the side yard. "Hello, Del," said Grow. "Hello, Bill," said Del. "Hello, Del," said Bill. But up ahead was trouble. Mech the Mechanic Bot had broken down with his bulldozer on Del's tracks. "Oh no," thought Mech, "I better warn Del." But it was too late, for steam had filled the air, and Del was headed right towards the bulldozer. I can't see," exclaimed Del. Look out," said Mech. "Oh no," shouted Del. He tried to stop, but his brakes were too late. Crash went Del, and whoosh went the big bag of trash. By the time the smoke cleared, they saw everything. "Are you okay?" said Mech. "I felt so scared." "That's okay to feel scared," said Mech. "Is your body okay?" "Yes, it is," said Del. "But the same can't be said about your workshop." "What do you mean?" asked Mech, and he turned to see his workshop covered in trash. The trash must have flown out of the bag and blew everywhere. "What am I gonna do?" thought Mech. But he knew just who to call. He picked up his walkie-talkie and called his friend Vac. Come in, Vac. This is Mech the Mechanic Bot. I've got a big mess, and you're just the bot to call." "I'll be there in a jiffy," said Vac. And he was. And he brought his big vacuum. Mech was excited, and so was Vac. "Everybody stand back," he said. Before they knew it, the whole workshop was clean. "Hooray," they thought. They took the trash out of the vacuum and placed it back in the trash bag for Del. The bots were so grateful for Vac. "3 cheers for Vac," said Del. "Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!" "Thank you," said Vac. He felt very encouraged. "I'll take that trash now," said Del. "Here you go," said Vac, and Del was back on his way to deliver the trash to the dump. Mech the Mechanic Bot went back to fixing his bulldozer. And Vac the Vacuum Bot went back to what he loved most, using his vacuum. Next time on Tinker and Friends, Bill the Builder Bot is building something big and new in Tinkerland. It's Bill's big yellow train. See you soon.